Hello, friends. It's Lauren from Craft Some Joy. Welcome back to my craft room. As you may know, I love organizing, and so today I wanted to feature some of my favorite organizers from Stamp Storage. As a scrapbooker and a crafter, paper is near and dear to my heart. So I wanted to start here with a few new organizers that I've added to my craft room. These are the standard 15 slot 12 by 12 paper holders. Now I put these organizers in my Michaels cubes, which measure 16 by 16. So I wanted to share this little hack. You can add some spacers and then add a shelf and then top it off with the 12 by 12 paper organizer. It gives you some extra little slots for putting your paper in, and it gives you that built-in look for your Michaels cubes. To organize my paper in these holders, I took all of the current Creative Memories cardstock and separated them by color in each of the 15 slots. Some slots do have more than one color. And I separated those colors with plastic dividers. I also decided that I wanted all of my shimmer paper in one place. And so the paper organizer on the right-hand side stores all of my beautiful Creative Memories shimmer paper. Next to those, I have another favorite Stamp Storage product, which are the Border Maker cartridge carousels. I love having everything right at my fingertips. And can you believe each of these carousels hold 80 Border Maker cartridges? Now, they also make a carousel for our punches, and this one holds 25 or even more if you put the mini punches in there. Different punches from Creative Memories, including slots for 10 of the border punches. So you've probably figured out by now that I am a Creative Memories advisor and I love punches. So much so, I've also included in my craft room a wall of 6 more organizers just for my punches. There is something so satisfying about having a place for everything. And as you can see, these wall punch organizers let you store your punches so you can see the designs on the side, and everything is right there, able to grab so you can spend some more time creating. This is one of my favorite things to see in my craft room. I just have such fun with all these different punches and having them so close on my wall. You can see I also have a soft spot for other brands and products, and Stamp Storage has just the solution on how to organize those. Here's how I have my Distress inks in another carousel made for the Kallax unit, and this holds up to 96 ink pads. I also have the lockdown punches from Stampin' Up, as well as other miscellaneous punches that I have included in these 2 carousels, which also fit perfectly into my Kallax units. These can hold up to 96 punches. Can you believe that? And just each punch and each ink pad is just a spin away. Also in my Kallax, I have 2 different drawer units to organize my supplies. This is the card and photo cabinet for IKEA, and I also have the drawer cabinet for IKEA. And you can see these are the perfect places with different size drawers to store miscellaneous items. These drawer units have different configurations, so you can pick the drawers that work best in your space and for what you want to organize. Next to my Kallax, I decided to stack 2 of the drawer cabinets, and these are the 6 by 7 4-drawer units. And it was the perfect place to organize my smaller cling stamps. Now I have them categorized and organized and off my desk. This is such a game changer for keeping things tidy. I hope you've enjoyed this spotlight on the fabulous Stamp Storage organizers. Let me know in the comments what your favorite organizers are. To order your organizers from Stampin' Storage or Creative Memories Supplies, see the links in the description box below. And if you'd like to see more organizing videos, you can check them out here. Thanks for watching. See you next time.